Dito tayo ngayon sa BGC or North BGC to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So this is Mitsukoshi Mall and then Grand Hyatt. Yung titignan natin is in Avida Towers Turf. So let's go and check natin.
Kaya ang ganda.
28th floor.
Ay, ang ganda.
43 square meters, 1 bedroom. Very spacious with balcony. Pagpasok mo, kitchen and bathroom. Yun nga lang, may mga ipapaayos ka dito. Kitchen, over and under cabinets. Dating price nito is around 9.3 million. Now it's around 7.2 million. And this is for bidding. So, ito yung balcony niya. Yan. And yan yung view nyo. So 169,000 per square meter, below market value. If you are interested to make a bid and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. This is available in cash or at least 10% down payment, 90% balance, bank financing plus taxes and fees. This is as is where is upon turnover. Ito yung kwarto niya. Mukhang hindi siya nagamit ng previous owner dahil intact pa yung aircon provision. Ayan. Yun nga lang, meron tayong ipapaayos dito. Dito sa kitchen niya. Ayan. Kaya discounted siya. If structural damage yan, si condo admin na magpapaayos niyan or yung unit na nasa taas nyo. So again, if you would like to make a bid, just follow and message us directly. Amenities niya. KD pool, then lap pool. Then andun yung playground and yung gym.